Thinking about downsizing but don't know where to start? Whether you're looking to free up space, cut down on expenses, or just live a simpler life, downsizing can feel like a massive challenge. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you through it all with 7 essential tips for a smooth transition. Hi, I'm Carrie Tanner, Realtor with AtCoastal Realty. Let's start with deciding on your next home. This sets the foundation on the next steps in this process. Are you leaning toward a cozy condo, a smaller suburban home, or even a vibrant senior community? Each option has its pros and cons. Look at factors like maintenance, proximity to family, and lifestyle amenities that match your needs. Remember, your next home should align with your goals for downsizing and bring you closer to the lifestyle that you want. Next up, decluttering. This is often one of the toughest parts. Start by sorting items into a keep, donate, and discard pile. Ask yourself if each item serves a purpose or adds value to your life. Sorting gradually makes it easier to stay organized and less stressful. Here's a pro tip. Start small, like with a closet or a single room, then work your way up. Also consider donating, selling, or giving items away to family. Tip number 3, focus on quality over quantity. When decluttering, instead of keeping multiple items of the same type of item, focus on those that bring the most value or joy. Whether it's cookware, decor, or furniture, selecting a few versatile quality pieces not only reduces clutter, but ensures your new space feels curated and functional. This approach also helps reduce packing and moving costs, streamlining your entire downsizing journey. And tip number 4, find the right realtor. Working with a realtor experienced in downsizing can save you tons of time and stress. They can coordinate the sale of your current home and help you find the ideal new space, all while navigating any obstacles like handling closings on both homes in a synchronized way. Tip number 5, research, research, research. Downsizing isn't just about the size of your home, it's about the location too. Look into local amenities, proximity to friends or family, and healthcare access to make sure your new neighborhood fits your lifestyle. Up next, be open to flexible moving dates. Flexibility is key. Selling and buying a home at the same time can feel like a balancing act, so keep an open mind. If possible, consider temporary housing if your new home won't be available immediately, or explore options like renting back your current home for a short period of time. This is where having an experienced realtor with knowledge on downsizing is essential. And finally, tip number 7, use tech tools to simplify your transition. From home inventory apps that help you categorize and track belongings to virtual design platforms that let you visualize furniture placement in your new space. Technology can make downsizing far less daunting. You can also use online marketplace platforms to sell items you won't be taking with you, putting some extra cash back in your pocket while lightening your load. Downsizing doesn't have to be daunting. With the right approach and a little planning, it can actually be an exciting new chapter. Now, I know every situation is different, but if you would like to have a conversation about how I can come up with a game plan and help you explore your downsizing options, give me a call and we can schedule a free, no obligation, no pressure conversation about your specific needs and situation. And remember, knowledge is power in real estate. So be sure to like and subscribe to my channel so that you can not just follow the market, but stay ahead of the market. Thanks for watching. I'm Carrie Tanner, the key to unlocking your real estate dreams.